Hello kids, let's learn some colors, numbers and alphabets. Green color, pink color, light pink color, blue color, purple color, green color, yellow color, grey color, olive green color, brown color, black color, red color. One, two, three, A, B, C, purple color. One, number one, number one, purple color, green color, two, two, number two, number two, green color, pink color, three, 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 number three, number three, pink color, grey color, A for apricot, A for apricot, A for apricot, grey color, blue color, B for bee, 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 blue color, red color, C for crayon, C for crayon, C for crayon, C for crayon, red color. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Number 1, number 2, number 3. A for apricot. B for bee. C for crayon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.